Ada Great Again is a Republican grassroots effort to restore the effectiveness of the Ada County Republican Central Committee and the Republican Party.
Over 100 Republicans in Ada County's 9 districts are running for precinct committeemen, and we are committed to energizing, organizing, and unifying the Republican Party.
Make Ada Great Again will train our PCs to know their important role in the party, and we will put together a highly effective Republican Central Committee.
We will work with our state Republican Party to be stronger, and with our neighbors, our towns, and our legislatures.
All this will be done in advance of the cause of republicanism and conservatism. We are Republicans who stand firmly for free speech, religious liberty, and sanctity of life.
We stand for the Second Amendment, keeping the United States and Idaho sovereign and keeping government accountable to its citizens.
As well as honoring the rule of law, fiscal responsibility, smaller government, equal opportunity, and we certainly respect and honor our nation's military and first responders.
We're Ada focused, Idaho strong, and America first. We believe in family, faith, and freedom. We're going to energize the party, we're going to unify the party, and we're going to win.
Hey, what's with the line of cars? I heard most of that. Sounds great. Make Ada great again? I love it. Hey, whoa, I gotta catch up.
His grace on thee, he crowned like good. Yes, he did. Heavy brotherhood from sea to shining sea. You know, I wish I had somebody to help me sing this.